Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create an organizational chart using Canva. Whether it's for a business, a store project, or a team structure, Canva makes it easy to design a professional-looking chart in just a few steps. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, click on Templates. You can find this at the top of your page. Once you are there, simply type in the search bar to look for organizational charts. You will see a range of templates to choose from. Just pick the one that works best for you based on your needs. Click to preview your chosen template. There are plenty of options available. When you find the one you like, click on it to select it. Then, click to use this template. This one is completely free. It is a straightforward process. From here, we can customize the template however we like. Once we are on the editing page, we can start making changes. We can edit the name of our company or organization right here. Just click on the text to edit it. We can also upload photos and swap them out or resize them as needed. We can update the names and job positions to match our team. We can also change the colors by clicking on an element and choosing a new color, for example, purple. It all depends on what works best for us. Feel free to edit it however we want. Once we are happy with the result, click Save. After saving, we can share it or generate a link by copying it and sending it to others. Our organizational chart is now ready to download, print, or share. With Canva's simple tools, we can present our team structure clearly and professionally.